Applying labels to irregularly shaped chunks of cheese has been a process Willow's California-based Rumiano Cheese traditionally performed by hand. But not anymore, thanks to the NextGen 2115 Weigh Price labelers from Ossid. Founded in 1919, Rumiano Cheese was created by 3 immigrant brothers from Italy who came to California to pursue their American dream. By the mid-1930s, Rumiano Cheese had become the largest cheese manufacturer in the state. Today, the company operates 2 facilities in California, Willows and Crescent City. Its products, including a wide variety of cheeses, gift boxes, and branded merchandise, are sold in all 50 states as well as online. The key to producing award-winning cheese is its milk shed, a region along the northern redwood coast of California that defines the relationship between farmers, land, and animals that produces nutrient-dense milk for its cheeses.
The Redwood Coast region, the Humboldt and Del Norte counties of California have essentially a temperate rainforest climate. So you've got green grass growing pretty much year-round. So we're partnered with roughly 20 to 25 family-owned dairies up in that region. And they all practice pasture grazing. So these cows get to have access to pasture 365 days a year. That allows for really high quality feed that produces really high quality milk.
The company recently moved into a new facility in Willows, which afforded them more space to automate sections of its packaging operations, including its labeling processes.
Traditionally, we didn't have a lot of space at our old facility, so we made do with what we had, very short, essentially right angles on our production lines, which meant short conveyors, which meant not a lot of room for automation. That meant, pieces like, this, a retail-sized chunk of cheese being packaged, but then also labeled, flipped over, weighed, then hand-labeled again. So, you're looking at 8 to 13 hands on a line just to label these cheeses that would eventually be packed up and sent out to a retailer. Obviously now, with the new building, which allowed us to create some efficiencies through automation, we've reduced that to maybe 3, which also helps with repetitive motion injuries, which also helps with the exhaustion of labeling cheese all day long.
When you run a variety of different products, automation can be difficult. So you need a partner in the industry that's willing to work together with you to create a solution that can work across the whole array or gambit of products that you might run.
These NextGen 2115 Weigh Price labelers from Ossid can reach speeds up to 180 packages per minute. Utilizing WYSIWYG label design, the Weigh Price labeler has an interface that allows the end user to view a projected model of the label while it's being created. The Ossid Weigh Price labeler is National Type Evaluation Program approved and can also handle top and bottom labeling for added functionality.
One of the nice features about the line is we didn't just put the Weigh Price label on the line, but we also put in a case scale system that integrates into the line controller. So why is this beneficial? When you are packing the cheese blocks into a case, it's very important that your end user gets all of the components in it that they've asked for. So what the case scale does is it makes sure that you have a completed package, and one that you're not giving away too much product to a customer, which over the life of a machine can be a huge cost savings. With our specific case scale, it's documented back to the customer's ERP system so that they know the weights of all of their product going out.
2 NextGen 2115 Weigh Price labelers installed in 2023 are contributing to Rumiano Cheese's goal of doubling its current packaging volume by the end of 2025.
I feel like Jared and his efforts have really kind of built a bond between Jared and Rumiano Cheese. I think it's an asset to have people like Jared working with us to help implement those things as a team versus a vendor transactional relationship, right? And I think that's probably one of the key takeaways that I'm getting from this is the continued support and the support on the rollout.